Welcome to our English language tutorial. Today, we will learn the difference between two commonly confused words, bring and take. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly when to use each one. Let's get started. Let's begin with the basic definitions. Bring means to carry something toward a place or a person, while take means to carry something away from a place or a person. The key difference lies in the direction of movement. Let's look at some examples of bring in action. Can you bring me a glass of water? Here, the glass of water is coming towards the speaker. When you say, please bring your laptop to the meeting, you are asking someone to carry the laptop toward the meeting location. The focus is on moving something closer. Now let's talk about take. Please take this package to the post office. Please take this package to the post office. Don't forget to take your umbrella with you. Don't forget to take your umbrella with you. Here is a quick trick. If it's coming to you, say bring. If it's going somewhere else, say take. It's that simple. Still confused? Picture this. If you are carrying a gift to a party, you are taking it there. But when you are walking into the party, someone might ask, what did you bring? See how it changes? Alright, time to test what you have learned. I'll give you a sentence and you'll fill in the blank with either bring or take. Ready? Could you this jacket to the car? Please me a cup of coffee from the kitchen. Don't forget to your phone when you leave. Okay, it's time for answers. Could you take this jacket to the car? Take. It's going away from where you are now. Please bring me a cup of coffee from the kitchen. Bring. The cup of coffee is coming toward me. Don't forget to take your phone when you leave. Take. You are carrying it away with you. See, it's not tricky when you think about the direction of movement. Moving towards you, bring. Moving away from you, take. That's it. The more you practice, the easier it gets.